the use of brain MRIs in fibromyalgia ERISA disability claims. Did you know that disability carriers or plans make it very difficult for those with fibromyalgia to get the disability benefits they deserve? There are two primary arguments that disability carriers will make in regard to objective evidence of fibromyalgia. They'll demand that you provide objective evidence of the diagnosis. That can be difficult, if not impossible, because there isn't a gold standard test. The fibromyalgia diagnosis is based on physical exam findings and the exclusion or elimination of other causes for the symptoms. Now, the other thing that disability carriers demand is objective evidence of restrictions and limitations. That, again, can be hard, but one of the things that I try to use in these cases are functional capacity evaluations and CPET exams. But let's talk about the objective basis of the diagnosis and the restrictions and limitations from a different standpoint. There's some new studies out that show that MRIs of the brain, particularly the thalamus area, can document a change in the gray matter. And that part of the brain, the thalamus, is responsible for how we perceive pain. And these studies are showing a reduction in the amount of the gray matter in the thalamus area, which correlates with perception of pain. I think that this is a tool that hopefully will be used as an objective basis to diagnose not only the fibromyalgia, but potentially the pain impact that that it has on functionality. I don't know that necessarily there'll ultimately be a correlation between the decrease in the gray matter in the thalamus and functionality, but certainly it will document that the perception of pain that a fibromyalgia patient has is real, and that in turn can impact functionality. Again, that's why I like the FCE and the CPET exam, because I think they are objective, particularly if you can coordinate that with any objective physical findings on exam, and perhaps one of these days a brain MRI. If your claim for ERISA disability benefits because of fibromyalgia has been denied or terminated, call me today at 727-894-3188. I can help you get the ERISA disability benefits you deserve, regardless of where you live in the United States and regardless of who your carrier might be. 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation.